On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 3 of the Vlogmas series here on my channel. 12 days of Christmas. We're counting down, and I'm super excited. First of all, I do want to apologize. I really tried yesterday. I was like, no, this video has to get out on time. This video like shouldn't be late, but I couldn't get it up until this morning. Like yesterday was, I don't know, it was good and bad because I just needed to have that soup made. Like, you know when you're craving something, you know, so I just needed to have that done, and I'm so glad I did because I felt so fulfilled. It was my first time, like the soup, ogbono soup is actually my best soup, and it was my first time making it, so I felt really accomplished. But at the same time, I also felt good because I was able to get what I want when I wanted it. you know, don't try what I did though. Don't eat, swallow that late because I have reaped the repercussions. Like this morning, that's all I'm going to say. That's all I have to say. So I'm doing a Christmas themed photo shoot this morning for a friend of mine and her kids, and I'm just about to start setting up the sitting room area for that. So right now I'm just about to set up for the filming because I did tell her to get here at 11, and the time is just a little past 9:30, I think. So I do have like a couple of errands I need to run before she actually gets here. Alright guys, so we just finished the photo shoot and I'm so tired. The kids were amazing. The pictures looked good, the ones I saw from the camera, like, but my house doesn't look good anymore. Like, you're that photographers, please. How do you do it? Like, look at everything. We used some fake snow, we used confetti, balloons. I'm done arranging and it looks like nothing ever happened here. I mean, forget those things on the ground, but it looks like nothing ever happened here. Alright guys, so I'm so tired. I'm going to go take a look at the pictures that we took, and I'm also going to just rest for a bit before I have to go out again. But yeah, Christmas, it's starting to feel a lot like Christmas. Hey guys, what's up? I hope everyone is having a fabulous evening. So myself and Java completely slept off. Like, we just crashed, y'all. Like, yesterday was, I don't even understand how we exerted ourselves yesterday, but having to wake up very early this morning to do the photo shoot and everything really got to us. So we did sleep in immediately after the shoot from like, we stayed in from like 12. I edited some of the pictures, sent some of them over. So we've been in doing like literally nothing, watching TV and sleeping off, and the time is currently 5:17, and I mean that's not too late, but like it's really dark outside right now, and we literally came alive in the nighttime. I mean I had to push that back to come alive, but we do have the vlog to still continue. So anyways, we're about to go out now. We have some errands to run. It's just going to be a chilled night, decorating. I'm really excited to decorate this room because I do have some ideas. I don't know how they're going to pan out, but I do have some ideas on what I want the room to look like. And yeah, we'll be seeing you guys.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse jingle bells.
Guys, so we ended up winners. We're going on the trip with us. He decided to take us out, which is good because I'm tired of driving. But yeah. Try to do blankets. It worked. I did nothing to you. Don't scream at me. Rude. The two of them, Jack. Yeah. Oh, go. You have not met the girls that are not romantic. Why do you think every girl is romantic though?
It's just that emotion, the emotion
does not mean romantic.
No, but they want to. When you're in love with someone, you want to do things with that person consistently.
Teachers.
You want to be consistently new with that person. So you are going to be romantic with that person. It just happens. Even if you are the kind of person that is hardened, it just happens.
Say hardened. Your heart is black like stone.
You know what you forgot?
What? I didn't forget it in my bag.
Oh, you brought it. Okay.
Yeah, guys, we think every girl is romantic.
Not everyone.
You guys should do something funny. Do something funny. Do something funny.
Why?
What can you do for him?
Yeah, the angel on the top of my tree, singing to the spirit above. Sing your heart out with all of your love. Santa's coming for us. 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 Santa's coming.
Hey guys, so we just got back home and unfortunately we won't be decorating the room today. I'm actually super tired and we also have like other things we need to do, and I still need to edit this vlog and put it up. So that will be tomorrow's video. We'll be going ahead and decorating my room for Christmas. So yeah, we just hung out with our friends Ugo and Joseph tonight, and it was actually really fun. We went to like a bunch of places, like just like sightseeing, window shopping. It was really nice. It was a nice way to spend Saturday. So I hope you all are having a wonderful evening, and I'll see you all tomorrow, God willing. Bye bye.